Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to check the Microsoft Office version. Let's get into the video. Just click search and type Word. Here you can open a new document. Click on the file and here click more. In that you can click account. Here you can see on the right side you can see the Microsoft version and then plus 2019. Then you can see the built version here down, about Word. In about Word you can see the version numbers also. That's it in the video. Thanks for watching.